Hello, welcome to the stream. Hello, greeting from Honduras. Welcome, bro, welcome. I'm just waiting for a couple of minutes before we start. Let me check the volume. The volume on my side is okay, the audio is okay. Perfect. Should we start? Or like wait for 2 or 3 more minutes? Hi, bro. Hi, Rafael. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Just waiting a couple of minutes, or maybe a couple of seconds. Hi, brother. 2 or 3 more minutes. Let me just lower my volume. Following from Italy. Okay, thanks for you. Thanks for following. Hi, Cryptex. Hi, bro. What's your name? When I'm not, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Venerossi. Maybe that's right. Okay, so let's just start it. Yep, let's start from BTC maybe. Where the BTC one? Nope, not here. Here, yep. So we have total chart first. This is the total market cap of crypto. As you can see here, crypto total market cap in terms of dollar. And after that, we have BTC, the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is like looking not good at all. After that, we have Ethereum. We will discuss Ethereum, USD dominance, the dollar, the market cap of USD dominance in terms of percentages, and then we have DXY, the US dollar index. Then we have XPX S&P 500 index, and then we have the gold, the ultimate. That's right, perfect. What about BTC and ETH? I will discuss, bro. I will discuss BTC and Ethereum here. Just wait a minute. When did you start it trading? I was trading earlier, but my professional trading starts in somewhere in 2022. Like the full professional one, you can say. Hello, Stevik. Good afternoon from Malta. Welcome, bro. You are my old viewer. I know you. You, Rafael, and Stevik. I know. Remember 3 names right now. And also there is an Indian guy. I'm not sure what's his name, but there is Indian guy also here. So yeah, I am starting remembering your names, like the YouTube ones. And yeah, let's get started. Firstly, we have the BTC one. If you have a look at BTC or daily time frame, you can see we started dumping at our time high. This is our time high around 126, 126,272 dollars. We got an all time high. Let's just rename it. All time high here. Yep. So this is all time high on BTC chart, and then we started dumping, and our dump was crazy. We touched $80,000, like straight $40,000 dump. After that, we started consolidating. We tapped $98,000 somewhere around here, and after that, we like broke out of this bear flag. This is a bear flag. We broke out. Same happening here, and after we dumped like the same as the like flag, something like this. This is a pole, and same on this. We dumped, like if you take it from like top of the pole, top of the beer flag to the bottom of the next beer flag. This is how you calculate the targets, and based on this, let's say like this is the like start of the lower side, and this is this like end of the upper beer flag, but lower side. This is how you calculate. The next target will be around somewhere around $48,000. And if you zoom in, like let me zoom in, if you see, we got a range, like let's say this is the range. Let me just draw it. This is the range. We came here, like we came like this, then we have a range, and then we broke out, and then we are here. And if you notice, this is the same pattern as going on here. Like we were in a bear flag, we dumped, we retested this like somewhere around here, and now we are sitting at this point. Now if let's say we have some bad news from geopolitical stuff, or like or some other side, we can actually dump to a like lower side, but still depends on like the market situation. But I am right now bearish, and that is why we opened the fat trade. Where's the fat one? This fat trade, I said I will be scaling fat into like, I enter somewhere around here, like 235, somewhere around here, somewhere around, I will enter here, I will enter here, I will enter here, and I will scale my position up to 0.2725, and that's what I'm expecting. So I'm just scaling into my altcoins. And let's say we got rejected. This is range high, this is range low. Even if we go to a range low, then we have 5 to 6% move, and that's a big drop. And if we go to like $58,000, like the next possible range, or like the next possible zone of interest, then it's a 15% drop. So I am right now bearish. I am not bullish at all, and that's like the BTC trade, or like the BTC chart or BTC overview for the April, maybe April, or maybe we can go into May. I think that Iran will make some advance on that petrol pump. I don't think so. I don't think so. If you look at Twitter today, or like the other stuff, Trump is actually not, in terms of like making some ceasefire or some stuff. He is posting blah 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 blah, and that's not how war ends. Hello, Seth. Movies explanation. I'm from Asia, somewhere in Asia. And after that, let's move to Ethereum. I will discuss BTC afterwards in detail, but that's the like whole move. And this is like the Ethereum chart, same as BTC. You can see a bear flag here, same as this, and now we got the bear flag here, around here. But one thing is that like Ethereum haven't broken down. Like if you have a look at this, BTC is sitting somewhere around here. Like we have broken down, we have tapped this range, and then we are sitting here. But on like on Ethereum, we are sitting around here. This means Ethereum is actually like you can say sort of strong in terms of BTC, and that's how you set a trap for retailer. Like you can see around here, like Ethereum broke down in on 20th January here, and BTC broke down on around 19th January, around, I would say, not the best, but yeah, around 19th January. So there is a 1 day gap here, and the same can happen around here. So in my opinion, if you look at this red box, just this red box, we have failed to like claim this one. First rejection, second rejection, third rejection, then we have another fourth rejection, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one now, and maybe one more, and then we scoop it down. That's how. Want to classroom show the dashboard. I don't know answer it, but do you have a tutorial? I will share it like on the live stream. Just share the message again. I will just show you how to like manage that dashboard. And after that, we have USD dominance. Like I am bearish on this one, so this one is looking bullish. You can see we have inverse head and shoulder pattern. We have discussed earlier. We have broken out of this, retested first, retested it twice. Now we have retested it, and also if you have a look at RC divergence, we don't have any major RC divergence, so okay. And now I am expecting like we break this range. Let me just draw some trend line. So this is the trend line. I will wait for it. Like this X trend line, I am expecting we go over here. We might get it for the first time, but second time we will do something like this, and then ultimately we will tap this one, like these 5 February highs. So I'm expecting something to get tapped. Let me just mark it over here. Yep. So I'm expecting to tap it here. Maybe another 8 pump to 2200. Yep. I am expecting something like that, and I will tell you why. And this is what I will tell you in the year trading session. Like when we go to live trading, I will maybe place a limit there around that zone. And that's the USD dominance chart. And after that, we have the dollar index. Dollar index failed to claim like 100.905. I said if it breaks like something, if we do something like this, I will short road, and yeah, it failed to break. So I am not short in road right now. I am just waiting for it. And in my opinion, we do something like this again if only if we get something positive on the war side, but I'm not expecting that, so we may move sideways, like sideways, something like this. So I'm not like bullish, not bearish on this one, but I'm bearish on whole crypto. And then we have SPS 500 index. And if you remember my previous stream from maybe from 27th or 25th March, around somewhere around here, yeah, 27th or 25th March, I placed this red box. I said we can expect a bounce here, and then we draw to this zone. Why this zone? Just because, let me mark this one, this 56574, as like we have a resistance over here. This weekly opened, like if you can see, this weekly opened at this zone, and we actually filled this week also, somewhat of the week, and now we are getting some sort of rejected. We have 3 days still, but still we are getting rejected. And now if we, let's say, move towards like lower side, like something like this, then we will have another around 5 to 10% of the like you can say dump on SPS 500 index, something like this. You can see is this one. Let me just move the fib on the right side, and yep, you can see we get something like this. That's what I'm expecting. So this is and also road, we have gold here. I was expecting road to like deviate here and then start pumping toward the upper side. We actually deviated, like we deviated at this point. We actually were sitting at here, right? Let me just add this title. You can see we were sitting around something like this, but Trump posted on X. Let me find the tweet if I can. Let me just find it. Not on X, on Truth Social. We got this post from Trump. You can read this. This is about like negative side of Iran, like our whole civilization died tonight, and blah, blah blah blah, and like the whole tweet. And after that, we saw a crazy dump. Like you can see, we started dumping on the gold, and we are at sitting at this point. So this idea gets invalidated, or you can say still valid until unless we break this one. If we break this to the lower side, then this idea will be invalid, and we will actually wait for some sort of reaction at this red box or this red box. And that's the analysis on road. We got road today, we got XPX, we got DXY, we got USD dominance, Ethereum, and BTC. Let's move towards this total chart, and the total chart is also sitting in the same position as Ethereum haven't broken out, and same as this haven't broken out. But one thing, if you look at this, we have RC divergence, sort of, no, but no RC divergence here. But one thing is that we are getting that 50 mark on RSI. Let me just add this one, like 50 mark on RSI. Last time this happened around somewhere around here. You can see same level 50.22, same level 50.22, and this happened around this. And let me just add it. And you can see we were sitting at range highs, and we dumped good, and this is a good dip. And even if this happens, like we go to this red box, this is still a good dump, like something like this. And after that we start retesting it, and then we do move towards like this, something like this. So I am not like bullish, but sort of somewhat bearish on this, like on this 2 month or like 3 month time frame. Okay, so we have some questions. Can you check river, please? Yep, I will check in the live trade session. Just give me some minutes. And then we have another chart around. Let me just get it. If we have, no, we don't have any chart. I will open it up here. Then we have US oil. We have US oil. If we have my own chart, let me just see. So gold is not stopping right now. Gold is dropping. Let me see if we have any other stuff from Trump. No. So it was 1 hour before, and that's only. And US oil. Let me see if we have Trump, not Trump, like US oil stuff here. US oil. Yeah, this stuff. That's what I was waiting for. I said like wait for the wick fill, and then we will see some reaction. And now we are not getting some sort of reaction. We actually dumped yesterday a little bit on the Monday, but now we are pumping straight to like 116. We are sitting at $116, and like here 116.84 is the high for today. And in my opinion, we do like this. We break this red box like somewhere around 127 or $130, somewhere around that, and then we actually start reversing something like this. If we don't get anything messy on the geopolitical stuff, that's my like stuff on US oil. If you want silver, I will like share my silver. So let's add silver here. XAG silver. Okay, so silver is in a downtrend. Okay, add some silver, and after that we will move toward your questions. We got some question like Ethereum will touch $2,200. We got some analytics options like we have to analyze the river. Yep, not the like channel. I would say it's sort of like trianglish pattern, something like from here maybe. Yep. So we are broken down from here. That would be a good shot if we retest this. Like 71 to $72 would be a good shot if we retest. Again, I'm not going to like short it blindly just because we have Trump stuff. We actually traded placed a trade on road, but got stopped out because of Trump again. And yep, this would be something like this. Place high if you want to trade. Place SL over these weeks like $74 or $75 actually for a better SL, and TP would be around $60 somewhere around here. And that would be like the trade, but still wait for it and wait for reaction. And yep, that's the overall summary for the trades. Maybe we have discussed everything in like 7 minutes. Perfect. Yep, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, almost 9 to 10 charts in like 10 minutes, 10 to like 18 minutes, sorry, 18 minutes. And yep, let's move to our questions. Let me see what's Fat is doing right now. Should I share my PNL? Okay, crypto is dumping badly. Yep, crypto dot handle. I think so we got some news. I'm not sure, but maybe. Thanks for pointing out CL oil. Yep, that's important right now. Just because if let's say if we break this high like 9th March, then we are absolutely going for no ceasefire option. Gold is dumping. Okay, gold is dumping. Where is gold? Let me open it up. Somewhere around here. Yep, gold at 46.10. That's a pretty big dump. Like from the highs, it's okay, 1.35% dump. Yep, that is why I haven't shared any trade today. I'm just waiting for it. Yep, maybe I should share like this trade, this stuff, like the Fed trade. I am in the Fed trade at 0.344, 107% down, and my TPs are. I have shared my TP maybe. Not the partial TPs, but final TP would be around 0.132. And what's the downside? From current price, it's like 40%, and 40 by 40 is 1600%. Like I would gain 1600% on this one. And yep, that's a trade, that's a swing position. Don't try to enter right now. I have shared everything in the group that I will be looking for shorts above 0.23 and I entered at 0.234. Like you can have a look at, I entered at 0.234. That's like why I entered. I short on. I am short enough. I am on short in fact, and I have shared why and each and everything in the group. Detailed message. You should like read it. And yep, that this is the message. Let me copy and maybe paste it over here. This is the whole message. If you want to take a screenshot, maybe don't take a screenshot. We already have this message in the group, and I have said like I will be shorting above 0.23 where we get weakness, and we tapped the high. Like today high was 0.2398, and so yep, that's okay. And second entry would be around $0.27. Take profit will be shared manually, and daily close will be above $0.297, and that's the stuff. So yeah, no more talks on fat maybe, and we should move toward Ethereum, ETH. So gold looking weak. Yep, gold is weak. Gold is actually weak. Oil is strong, gold is weak, and crypto is also weak, sort of weak. Should I enter now? You can't enter fat now. You should wait for it to go above $0.23. Wait for some bearish reaction over there in on the 4 hour time frame, or like 1 hour time frame at least, and then you should enter. You should not enter right now. And I also have placed my order. Let me show you some orders of mine. Like I have placed multiple orders. You can see I have placed this was my first order, like the arrow, if you can see. The second order is at 0.232434. Then a next order, then so I am scaling everything into it. This is how I am entering. Last order is at 0.27. That's how I am actually scaling. I am not removing this order until unless we go below $0.20. And on what time frame I was looking at the chart, let me open my chart that I saved. Just a minute. It was 3 hour time frame. 2 hours, sorry. Yep. So someone pointed out, Stevik pointed out that we are going to $2,200 somewhere around here, and I expect something same just because we got these highs, like these equal highs, this one, and I am expecting we like take out those highs. SL, if you want to trade this SL somewhere around 2270, and TP somewhere around this week maybe. And yep, that would be a setup. I am waiting for it. If we get some reaction over here, this is the zone, 2190 to $200, and I will trade this one. And I have actually placed a lot on my NAS, my exchange, and yep, that's the setup for me. Like I am looking for more shorts, not longs. I am actually like, as I said earlier, I am actually bearish. So I'm looking for short, not like longs. We can long around here, but I will wait for reaction. Right now the RSI is okay. Let me have a look at dashboard. Also we got some sort of question on dashboard. What was that? Let me read it again. Wanted to ask you, please. Last time you shared dashboard, I do not understand it. I don't understand it. Do you have a tutorial for this? And I don't have any tutorial, buddy. And this is for BTC only. Yep, this is only for BTC. You can look for altcoins like the other coins. You have to change everything. This is like saved. You go to the like setting, and then you create a copy of this. Like I have created some copies, and those are not like usable, but still you should create a copy, download it. How to download it, let me show you. Go to setting, download it, and you got like that BTC one, and you again open this one, go to this one, and not this one actually, go to like price action somewhere around here. I am not sure, but yep, in the option tab maybe. Let me see where you can change it. Let me just, it is somewhere around here. You can actually change it. I got someone shared with me. Yep, there you can, yeah, there you can change it. Like you can add SUI, XRP, or whatever you want. You can actually change everything in the settings somewhere in this tab, and so you have to change everything for every panel. Like this is panel 1, this is panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, and for every panel you go to like this, you go to source, and you can change everything here. So you can make Ethereum one, you can make a BTC one, or whatever you want it. That's how you can create. And on BTC, like you can see these are the spot rates. Like here, let me just, I have placed a cap of $1 million, so $1 million trades are shown here. But if you lower it, like $5 trades, like you can see like every trade here taken on Coinbase, Binance, and Bybit. So these are shown here like $550. Someone bought $550 of Bitcoin at 67915. So your trades are also shown over here, but it's not like username are not shown, but still. And we have BTC here, and this is the spot activity, like the minus spot. If they're selling, these bars will increase to a lower side, and if we have like long activity, these we get green bars over here. This is Coinbase, and this is smart money. After that, we have Bybit. This is actually futures, like the longs or the shorts and everything. Then we have this Bitmax, and then we have this pub trade like future ones, and then we have small panel over here for liquidations. Then we have Coinbase and Bitmax overview. Like if Coinbase is going down, then this means price will go down, and if Coinbase goes up and Bitmax goes down, it means Coinbase like the price will go up, or like price is going up. This is Binance, this is by Bitfinex, this is Bybit, and this is every exchange. So that's how you look at it. Like you can see every trader is like now selling, and over here everyone is shorting. So that's how you get overview. That was like maybe 2 to 3 minutes overview on like the dashboard, and yeah, that's it. You can actually add more indicator over here, like I have add RSI, CVD, liquidation, everything. You can make it more complex, but I am sitting on this one. So yep, right now spot is selling, future is selling. So yep, ETF is buying BTC today, but a lot of selling. No, brother, it's not like that. If ETF like those are like with some lags or like delays. If ETF is showing you buy today, it was not today, it was yesterday. Just because they share data after 12 hours. So if they were buying, if they are showing you like buying today, they are not actually buying today. They are selling on like they are actually buying on Monday. And if they are showing selling today, then it means they are not selling today, they were selling on Monday. So it's a like gap of 1 day, and that's how it shows. And that's on the dashboard. And future are selling, spot are selling, and that's why we're dumping. In my opinion, we can look for longs around this gap like 67542. That's the price, 67542. Let's have a look at the chart. So yeah, Sunday wall VH is the value, and let me show you why this value and where this red box came from. So you have a look at this. We have VH here, Sunday VH. So that's where I will try to long. We got a POC on Monday. We got a poor high, like the green dotted line. If you can see this green dotted line, this is the red box. This is how a red box is made up here. And yep, that's a trade. Yep, Ethereum trade will be very safe. Yep, this one will be very safe. And then we got us a river. I don't know why you guys love river so much. Column moves, like it's how it moves, like okay. So yep, that's why. For like 300% move, then minus 60%, then we have like 100% move, then we have like okay, for like that's why it's volatile kind of stuff. Okay, so we are sitting at lows, and in my opinion, once the coin pumps and everyone start looking at the coin, you just leave it. Like, what do you see it? What do you see here? Anyone can point out like what's the pattern over here? If you can, if you know. It's in head and shoulder. Let me add head, like the head here, the shoulder here, not this one, this one, like the shoulder here. So head and shoulder pattern, and even if we like pump a little bit, we create another shoulder, and then we can actually go to zero, something like this. These coins, like if we have a spike, then we have sideways range, then it means at this point, like after dump, if we have sideways, you should leave it. You shouldn't trade this pattern, like you shouldn't trade this side of charts. Let me show you what happens. Like we have a chart TRB, if you remember, we got a pretty big dump on TRB, like the pump on TRB. You can see we got a pretty big dump, like the pump, sorry. And after that we saw another pump, and then we started ranging. Actually, we ranged for like let me add, we ranged for 94 days, and after that we started dumping, and this was the price like $100, and right now we are sitting at $14. So you can see this is how a sell off begins. Yep, McDonald patterns, head and shoulder pattern. Yep, it's actually head and shoulders pattern. I don't know what's the McDonald pattern. McDonald is like double M, like the double top, like the M pattern, something like this. Yep. Okay, so on the RSI side, we're actually forming something like a bullish divergence. And yep, I will wait for it. Maybe we do touch this value area low, and then we do something like this. That's what I'm waiting for. And we don't have any other charts right now. I'm just waiting for something on X. Actually, even after New York opening, we are like okay, like not moving much. You guys need a long, like reversal. Let's try a reversal trade here, maybe. Not here. We missed this, so just remove this one. Legend should be long 67.40. Yep, I am sharing that stuff here. Like I will try to long Sunday VAH, like the VAH is the value area high. My target will be, let me add fib around here, 1.236. It will be my target. This one, and stop loss would be my where's POC? POC is at 67,800. Value area low is at 67,680. So yeah, that below that, like 67,666 would be my 66 would be my like stop loss. It's below. Yep, it's below. That would be my trade, like almost 5 hour trade. That's what I'm waiting for, and 5% profits, around 1% loss, and yep, that's the stuff here. I'm waiting for it to like that tabbed or safe setup. Yep, in my opinion, it's a safe setup. Just because if you have a look at this, we are like 4% down from Monday high. I will share in the group also, and when we get like filled. I believe that there will be some kind of deal in the end of the day. Let's see, bro. I'm not sure. Let me just. Not on actually, not on deal, we can actually pump on some sort of news also. Like let's say Trump says we are like Iran is positive side on like Iran is on the positive side of talks, something like that, or like Trump says anything like Trump says positive, we can actually pump it. It's not like don't have to be like on the war ceasefire or something like that. In my opinion, we have failed this week. Yep. Uh, while trading, you should wait for look for wicks also. Like you can see, this wick is now being filled like at somewhere around here, and now we'll do like not that like this, maybe like this. We'll go toward the entry and then we'll start pumping. And in my opinion, it will take some time. In my opinion. And also, how many of you like trade on bluffing? I'm actually planning to open a copy trade on BTC or just for BTC trades. Depends how many of you are on bluffing. Then we can actually trade, otherwise, no. Or if you want me to drop it on any other exchange, you can also like share. Why only BTC? Just because if you have a look at the stats, this is January 2025 chart. My BTC trades are always in profit. Like not most of the time, but most of the time you can see BTC in profit, BTC in profit, and BTC in profit, and you can see like and Feb you can see the stop loss was on altcoin. This was on altcoin. This was on altcoin. BTC was in profit. This is not filled out here, but still BTC was in profit. After that we have BTC here in profit, and yep, we got BTC in profit. We got BTC in profit. After that in April also BTC in profit we have, and May we have BTC in profit. Same if you forward to like let's say September, we have one stop loss, then two TPs, then one stop loss and one TP, then again TP, and then again TP. So most of the time we are in profits. Like we got some big SLs here, one SL in BTC, and after that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 trade TPs on BTC one in November 2025. Then in Jan, Feb, and like April, oh sorry, March. And even in March we got 1, 2, not this one still, 2, then we have like 3 and 4. These are 2, like 3, 4, 5, and then we have 6, 7 TPs on BTC. So yeah, I will be like opening my copy trade on BTC, only BTC. I will be only taking BTC trades on that one, and I am planning to like open a sort of challenge. Maybe we start with like $100, and maybe like something like this. Let me just share a plan. Like we go with $100. I go with like 10 to 20x leverage. Enter with $5 position. Like let's say like 20x with $5 is equal to $100 position. Let's say we gain like 5% is equal to $5 back, or let's say we lost $2 is $2 lost. So with every trade we will like pump our portfolio. Like all we can also lose, we can also pump depending on trades. And yep, I will trade something like this on Bluffin or any other exchange if you want. Let me actually have a poll here on what exchange you want. Give me exchanges. Like we have Bybit. I'm not doing it on Binance. We have Bluffin, and then we have Bitcoin maybe. I'm not used to Bitcoin, but still we have Weeks and any other exchange if you want to. Choose your exchange. Give me 1 or 2 exchanges so I can like Bybit. Yeah, Bybit. I have Bybit, Bluffin, Bitcoin, Weeks. Maxi. Okay, so I am removing Bitget, I am adding Maxi here. Okay, so I have started a poll. Choose this one. It's depend on you guys, and I will also look at like what are the requirements of copy trading. I am not sure. Okay, mostly around Bybit. Okay, the poll will continue until the end of live stream, and after that I will see. Not Bitonix, bro. Bitonix is not registered somewhere. I haven't seen like its registration, and also you can't like actually have major funds over there. I actually faced a withdrawal issue earlier, so I'm not trusting that exchange. Okay, so 62% are on Bybit. Okay, we'll look for it. Maybe next week or maybe after that. Oh, Bybit is KYC. Okay, maybe Bluffin then. What about Bluffin? Weeks, yes. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. I will like discuss with exchange managers, and then I will see. Maybe we are pumping from here. Maybe. Now it depends on 68.2. Okay. Bluffin, I guess, is okay. Okay, so we got votes for Bybit 53%, Bluffin is 13%, Maxi and Weeks are 20 and 13. Okay. Also, I'm not sure for like the copy trade one. I will first check it, try it on my own accounts, and then I will open it. It might take like 10 to 15 days also. So yeah. Yeah, Marida for here forever also. Yep. I'm actually waiting for this one to get filled. Yep. Or we have any other charts. You can also give your own coins in the chat. We got something. Let's see on Ethereum what we got. This is the range. Oh, smooth. Wanna try the setup? Someone wanna try the setup? Where's smooth? Yep, maybe. Oh, so this is the live stream exclusive setup only. I am going for it. Like, yep, something like this. Let's just place it sideways. Entry 1 at CMP, entry 2 at this week, stop loss at 2014, like This week is 2016. Let me see something. Wait a minute. 2012. We have 2012.21. It's okay. 2012.21. 2012.21. TP at 2190. And yep. So 2.89 are our trade setup. I'm actually trying this one. And I will share in the group also. Just because we got a good risk management here. If we did this setup, this SL today, then this will be like last trade of my today, of today's. Let me add some fib here. Around this. TP1 would be around this level, $2,100. And then we got TP2 around this GP, 2128. XRP please. I will look for XRP, bro. Just wait a minute. I am for placing these TPs here, like on the charts. Okay, so this is a setup. I am going long on what exchange I should long. I am long on weeks. Entry at CMP, second entry at 2050, and yep, that's the setup. And wait a minute, what's Trump tweeted? Nothing. Okay. I thought Trump was something. And okay. Ethereum. Market price. I'm running 50 SL average, but little margin, not that much. TPSL would be 2190 and SL would be at 2012. Open long. I am in. My entry price is $71.50. Placing a limit at 2050. So yeah, let me share in the group also. So if we let that entry, something like this, let me see what's the average entry. 2070 around something like this. Then we have 2050. So 2060 will be like the average entry. Yep, something like this. Okay. Copy image and let me just post it. Just a minute. So you know why I belong Ethereum here? I will share why. Let me fill the values first. 2100, then we have 2128, then we have 2160, then we have 2190. So this is setup. Okay. Okay, so we launched this Ethereum based on this fixed rate volume profile. We got a POC here, like we retested POC after how many days? We pumped on Sunday, so we got Monday at value very high, then we retested on Tuesday. So this is something like this. We retested and then we move, let's say, sideways, and then we can do actually to the upper side. SL not good. I am doing for like okay trade. It's like Something is wrong. Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Not the like, okay, signal. I thought, let me just place. Also on this one, SL is a bit okay just because I have just placed it below this, like below this value yellow, so it's okay. If we extend our SL, something like this, then we will get our like bad RR. Correction. Yep. Corrected our SL. XRP please. I will look at it. Let me just add XRP here. And where is BTC? BTC is okay. BTC is not like moving towards our what's this trade? 788%. We maybe long here. Okay, so we took this one on 6th September. Okay. And right now it's 8-hour time frame. It was actually perform making the head and shoulder, like not the head and shoulder, cup and handle. If we move something like this and then we like break out, then we should have a cup and handle, but right now it's a downtrend. This is a major downtrend. Something like this. You should rather wait for like bounce from here like 1.26 or either wait for $1.32 to like reject or like claim this area. You can long it till this value, this area, or we can break this one so you can short it till this area. No trade in between. This setup is also good. You can take actually if we end the stream, but I am in this one, so I will avoid this one just to like not get asterisks. Do we have any other false pair here? This ETC trade. Okay. Area started dumping. Okay, we checked it on that time. We booked TP1 on this one. Okay. And after that we have the US oil chart. Okay. I'm looking some forex pair here. Okay. There's our trade actually here. If we break after a live stream, I'm like mentioning it for after a live stream. If we break this side, something like this, then you can actually short it for this week and SL above this week. That's a good stop. That's a good trade. Around 3.15%. And let me add TPO here also. Where's TPO? TPO, not this, TPO. Yep, so we will lose TPO if we moved around like red arrow. We are 3 hour setup with 1.99% TP and 0.6% stop loss. So yep. We'll actually look at it around midnight, and I will share in the group if we see some sort of reaction on this one. So we got today 1, 2 and 3 setups, and in my opinion we will just move like this and we will not fill the limits. That's what I am thinking. And yep, that's the setup. That's the live stream from today. We live streamed for around 55 minutes, and yep, I should maybe end the stream here. And yep, we got over 90 viewers. Thanks for watching. I will end the live stream. If you have any question, you can actually ask. I will end the stream at 50 minutes, like in 3 minutes. Not enter BTC CMP? No, not enter it. If you enter at CMP, the trade will be okay, but I am waiting for like this risk reward, like 5 risk reward here, and I don't wanna like get asterisks. And yep, thanks for watching. I'm ending a stream here. Will actually maybe come live tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. And yep, that's it for today. Have a good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon based on your time frame. And yep.